Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fitria binti Ahmad Munir and my matrix number is 23DBT 20F1036. Okay, so today I want to doing a lab simulation of Unit 1, which is a monohybrid cross between a wild type female fly and a male fly with sepia eyes using chi-square analysis in genetic inheritance. So first, go to the website flylab.js, this website. So first, to design a wild type female fly, click on the design. So click on the design and then click on the button for the eye color. So this one is female, we start with female. Then click eye color and click wild type. Next, click the select fly formatting. Okay, done. Next, proceed with the male fly. So design the fly, and so the sex is male, and click the eye color. Eye color is sepia, so click the sepia. Then after that, select fly formatting. So this is the parent, which is the female and male of fly. So then make the flies, which is cross the flies. So this one is the F1 offspring of cross between the parent cross. This one is the F1 cross, F1 offspring. So from the F1 offspring, make the female and male offspring. So first select to make the female and then select to make the male. So this one is the F1 offspring. This one F1 offspring. Then make the flies, which is cross the flies. So from the F1 offspring, we get the F2 offspring, which is we get the 4 F2 offspring. So then click the Analyze tab. So this one is the Analyze tab. So for this table, this one table. So we just need the trait. So we don't need the sex of flies. So click the ignore sex of flies. So click. Then this is the trait of the flies, which is plus, which is the plus phenotypes. So and SE. So put in the table in the lab manual. So plus and SE. So the observed number get from the table in the lab simulation, which is 749. Next, for SE, the observed number is 262. Then the expected number is have the formula to calculate the expected number. So I forgot to fill the null hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is follow 3:1 ratio. So as we know, the monohybrid ratio is 3:1. Then the alternative hypothesis is does not follow 3:1 ratio. So positive is dominant and SE is recessive. So the expected number is this plus is 3 over 4 times with 7 for 7, 7 for 7, 7 for 7, 7 for 9, 749. Total, the expected number method is 3 over 4 times with the total of the observed number. So the observed number is the 1011. So 1011. So the total is 3 over 4 times with 1011. So 758.25. Then for the SE, we get the rest, which is 1 over 4 times with the same number, total number, which is 1011. So the total expected number for SE is 1 over 4 times with 1011 is 252.75. So when we calculate the two expected numbers, so we get the total number of the observed number, which is 1011. So 758.25 plus with 252.75, then we get 1011. So proceed with the chi-square calculation. So the phenotype is the same, which is plus is dominant and SE is recessive. So this observed number is 749, and for SE observed number is 262. Then for expected number is 058.25. Then for SE is 252.75. So for the O minus E square root, so we get the this O is stand for observe, and the E is stand for expected. So O is observed 749 minus with 758.25 square root. So the total is 749 minus with 758.25 square root. We got the total is 85.56. Next for the SE, the observed is 262 minus with 252.75 square root. Then the total is 262 minus with 252.75 square root. So the total is the same, 85.56. Okay, then this O minus E square root over expected, we get from this one. Click the include a test of hypothesis. So the hypothesis for plus is 3 and the hypothesis for SE is 1. Then click test your hypothesis. So the So this is the results for O minus E square root over E. So fill in the table. For plus is 0.11 and for SE is 0.34. Okay. Next, for the degree freedom, the method of degree freedom is n minus with 1. So n is the thread. So the thread in this lab simulation have 2. So n stand for 2 minus 1. The total is 1. So the degree of freedom is 1. Then the total of chi-square. The total of the chi-square is from this. We have to total these two, which is 0.11, 0.11 plus with 0.34. So the total is 0.11 plus 0.34 is 0.45. 0.45. So this is the total of chi-square in this lab simulation of male and female flies. Alright, so from my answer from the value of total chi-square I get is 0.45. So since the calculated value of total chi-square that I got 0.5545 is higher than the 0.05 level of significance, the null hypothesis is rejected and there is a significant association. So that's all for my lab simulation, and thank you.